How to make money online in 2025. The digital world is evolving at an incredible pace, and making money online in 2025 is easier and more accessible than ever before. Thanks to artificial intelligence, AI, automation, and new digital business models, people can now earn a substantial income from the comfort of their homes. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career, here are some of the best ways to make money online in 2025. 1. AI-powered freelancing. Freelancing has always been a great way to earn online, but in 2025, AI-driven platforms are making it even easier to find high-paying gigs. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour now integrate AI tools that help freelancers improve their work efficiency. AI tools assist with writing, graphic design, programming, and even video editing, allowing freelancers to take on more projects with less effort. Additionally, AI-related skills such as prompt engineering, AI automation, and chatbot development are in high demand. Businesses are looking for experts who can integrate AI into their operations, creating opportunities for tech-savvy individuals to earn a significant income. 2. Content creation and monetization. Video content remains one of the most profitable ways to make money online. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels allow creators to monetize their content through ad revenue. Sponsorships and affiliate marketing. AI-powered video editing tools make it easier than ever to create high-quality content, even for beginners. If you prefer writing, platforms like Medium, Substack, and LinkedIn articles allow you to publish and monetize content. You can earn through subscriptions, paid articles, and advertising revenue. AI writing assistants like ChatGPT and Jasper can help generate ideas and speed up content creation. 3. E-commerce and print on demand. Online shopping is booming, and platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon allow entrepreneurs to set up online stores quickly. Print on demand, POD. Services like Printful and Redbubble let you design and sell custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without handling inventory. AI-powered marketing tools help target the right audience, making it easier to drive sales through social media and paid ads. Additionally, dropshipping remains a profitable option, where you sell products without keeping inventory, as suppliers handle shipping directly to customers. 4. Affiliate marketing and digital products. Affiliate marketing continues to be a lucrative option, where you promote products from platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale and earn commissions on sales. AI tools can automate content creation and marketing strategies, making it easier to drive traffic and increase conversions. Selling digital products is another way to generate passive income. Ebooks, online courses, templates, and stock photos require little maintenance once created and can provide long-term earnings. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Udemy allow you to sell these products globally. 5. Remote work and online jobs. The demand for remote work continues to rise, with companies hiring for roles such as virtual assistants, customer service representatives, and online tutors. Job search platforms like FlexJobs and Remote.co help find high-paying remote opportunities. Additionally, AI-powered job matching services improve the chances of landing well-paid positions. Fields like data entry, translation, and transcription also provide flexible work-from-home options. 6. Investing in cryptocurrency and stocks. Crypto and stock trading remain viable income sources, with AI-powered trading bots helping investors make better decisions. Platforms like Binance and Coinbase